In this class or in this video, I will be discuss about microorganisms. This is a chapter of biology for class 8 in NCERT curriculum. Firstly, I say about what is microbes or microorganism. Microorganisms are some extremely small organisms, cannot be seen with the naked eyes, only seen under lenses or microscopes. These are called microorganisms or microbes. Microbes spread over the entire biosphere. For example, in soil, water, air, inside the bodies of animals including humans, etc. Their microbes are live. Microbes are characterized by a high degree of adaptability, as they can survive in all types of environment, ranging from ice cold climate to hot springs and desert to mostly marshy land. Now, it is very important to discuss about nature of microbes. Microbes are mainly unicellular, but many microbes are multicellular. For example, penicillium, a fungi which is multicellular organism. Microbes are prokaryotic or eukaryotic in nature. For example, bacteria are prokaryotic in nature and algae, fungi, protozoans are eukaryotic in nature. Here I like to notice you, viruses are also microscopic but are different from other microbes. They, however, produce only inside the cells of host organisms, but outside the host body they are inert. So, viruses are not true microbes, but they causes various harmful effect in higher plants and animals, also in humans. So, in this chapter I will be discuss viruses as a pathogenic microorganism, not microbes. Now, I discuss about the types of microbes. These slides show you 4 types of microbes বা microorganisms: bacteria, fungi, protozoans and algae. Bacterians are prokaryotic in nature, unicellular organism. They live in whole hemisphere or atmosphere or biosphere. They are unique in nature. They produce many beneficial effects and also some harmful effects to man. Secondly, fungi. Fungi are one types of plant, but they have not chlorophyll, so they could not produce food or synthesize food. They mainly saprozoic and also parasitic in nature. They beneficial for human, also harmful for human. Protozoans are eukaryotic unicellular organism, mostly live in water, human bodies and other animals. They causes some diseases like malaria. Algae are eukaryotic plants. They are unicellular or multicellular in nature. For example, Chlamydomonas, a unicellular algae, but Spirogyra is multicellular algae. Viruses are not true microorganism, it is already I am said, but this creature also produce some harmful effect. So, in this chapter, viruses are a discussable topic for their pathogenic effect. Now, in next slide, I discuss about non-pathogenic microbes. Non-pathogenic microbes are not harmful microbes, they are beneficial for human, or their causes some benefit effect. First, non-pathogenic microbes is Lactobacillus. Lactobacillus produce curd from milk. They turned milk into curd. Next, yeast. Yeast, unicellular microbes, a fungi, they use to produce bread. Yeast are used to produce bread by added them in flour and mixed with warm water. This mixture also contains sugar, and after resting 2 to 3 hours, this mixture is rising, or their volume is increased, and this into bake and produce bread. Next, penicillium, it is produce penicillin, a antibiotic. Next, 2-3 organisms are produce antibiotics. Antibiotics are a chemical which destroy the bacteria. It is one type of drug or antibiotics, a drug which are causes harmful effect to harmful bacteria and destroy them. Penicillium produced from Penicillium notatum, a multicellular yeast. Next, Streptomyces or Streptomyces griseus. Streptomyces griseus produce streptomycin, an antibiotic used to treat tuberculosis. Next, Actinomycetes. Actinomycetes produce also antibiotics like erythromycin, terramycin, etc. Next, I discuss some vaccine produce microbes. These microbes used to produce vaccine. Vaccines are antibodies producing chemical which are used to human to produce a immunity effect. First, Clostridium. Clostridium tetani used to produce tetanus toxoid vaccine. Influenza virus used to produce influenza vaccine. Influenza is a seasonal flu. Salmonella typhi আর কি, Salmonella produce vaccine for typhoid. Or typhoid vaccine. Next, Rhizobium. Rhizobium increases the soil fertility. It is a bacteria or bacterium, lives in soil or in nodal region of some tree, some herb like pear tree, and produce nitrogenous substance to use atmospheric nitrogen, which increase the soil fertility. Next, some microbes used for cleaning the environment like Bacillus subtilis. Bacillus subtilis degrades pollutants like petroleum and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, mainly in seawater, and also I use an example of microbes who cleaning the environment is alkanivorax. Alkanivorax is oil spill cleanup effect and break down crude oil and other petroleum products. These are non-pathogenic organisms with some beneficial effect to humans. Next slide is pathogenic or harmful microbes. Pathogenic microbes are harmful microbes. They causes diseases for plants, animal, also humans. In this slide, I write some pathogenic microbes. I will say about their effect in human. First, Plasmodium causes malaria. Next, poliovirus causes for polio disease now are not seen. Next, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It is causes for TB or tuberculosis disease. Next is hepatitis A virus. It is causes for hepatitis A disease. Next, rotavirus. Rotavirus is commonly causes for diarrhea. Diarrhea also produce some bacteria like Escherichia coli. Next is Clostridium tetani. This bacteria causes for tetanus in humans. Next, flavivirus. It is commonly causes for dengue. And last of all, HIV virus or HIV, it is causes for AIDS. HIV or acquired human immunodeficiency virus, which causes the acquired immunodeficiency syndrome or AIDS. To end of this discuss, if this discuss is some help you to study this chapter, mainly for students, please follow, like this channel and also subscribe this channel, Learner Tutorial. Thank you.